everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be hatching 12 cracked eggs. So let's get into it. To start things off, our egg already has 2 tasks. We have the thirsty task and the hungry task. So let's go get those over with quickly. And I think now our last task is finished. And yep, so we're already halfway to hatching this egg, which is really great already. So now we just have to wait for the next task to come. Alright everyone, so our egg has gotten the next task. Sorry about that. We have gotten the sleeping task. I don't actually have a pet bed in here, so we'll just be using this normal bed. So after this task is done, I think we're only going to be needing about 1 more task to hatch this egg. So I'm really excited to see what we get. So now we just wait and see. Guys, we have just gotten an age up potion from our lure. How have we gotten so lucky? We got one yesterday too. That's insane luck, guys. I cannot believe how lucky we are. So let's wait for this egg's next task to come, I guess. So everyone, our egg's next task is here, and it's stinky. It's so stinky. It's hatching. Guys, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? And we got a mouse. I was hoping for a legendary, but you can use it to work towards a neon mouse. And yeah, guys. So let's start hatching the next egg. So our egg has finally gotten the task. It is hungry. Oh, hello, Sammy. Sorry guys, my cat's discovered in the room. Anyways, and it also wants to go to the... I forgot what it's called! What's it called? What's it called? The Splash Party, I'm gonna call it from now on. Because I forgot the name. It wants to go to the beach. Yes, it wants to go to the beach. I can't believe I forgot the name of that task. It's so funny. So now we just have to wait for this task to be over. And I'll see you then. Alright guys, so we still haven't won the task, but I have a plan. I am going to put some eggs in our pet pen so we can speed this up a little bit. And oh, I finally got a task, and it wants me to buy it a leash. Okay, I'll buy it a leash if it's not like $1 million. Not $1 million. You get what I mean, guys. Once my pet wanted me to buy a ball that was like 2,000 bucks. It's too expensive. No, you will not be getting that. I'm not buying that for you. It's too expensive. You're not getting it, and it's too expensive. Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna have to take it on a normal walk instead. So, yeah, let's go, guys. Also, by the time this video comes out, this footage will definitely be old. So I know that the potions up there probably already left by the time I'm posting this. So just so you guys know and don't get confused, this footage is old. So now we just need to wait for our very next task, and I'll that is our eggs. Next and final task. We actually do have 2 tasks. The sleepy task and the campsite task. So let's see which one goes faster. I think the sleepy one's gonna go faster. Yeah, it definitely is. So it's hatching, guys. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? What are we getting? And we got a parakeet. I think that's actually our first ever parakeet. So let's equip the next egg, and look, it's already a little bit hatched. This is definitely going to speed up the process a bit more. So yeah, if you're wondering why I have so many water bottles, I tried to make a video, but yeah, it failed miserably. So now I just have a bunch of water bottles. If you guys want me to try that video again, let me know in the comments and I'll definitely try it. I've just set this marshmallow on fire. Good. I'm going to feed it to my cracked egg if it doesn't get attached fast enough. So I'm just going to eat it. Imagine if you set yourself on fire or got set on fire when you actually eat the marshmallow. That's funny. Yes, it has. It has gotten the shower task, which is really good. Now I'll see when we get our very next task. Oh, we just got a task. It's straight after, and we get to pick the task. What one should I pick, guys? I have picked the salon, so let's go there now. I was originally going to pick one of the easy tasks. Guys, I can get stuck in the door again, and this time I know how to get out. Yay, I got out from being stuck in the door. Let's not remind ourselves what happened yesterday. Let's just go to the door. What did I say, the door? Let's just go to the salon, please. I just don't want to remember earlier. And now you want to go to the pizza party. You want everything today, don't you, Mr. Cracked Egg? Now we're just walking around doing all. I also want to pet it. You pet an egg. You don't just go out and get egg from Asda or something. You don't go and be like, yes, I'm petting you, I'm petting the egg, I'm petting my egg. Oh, you want egg now? So, I think the salon task has just finished. Yeah, we have just finished that task. So, now let's go to the hospital for the last task of this egg. So, let's go, guys. I'm not sure if I want Dr. Heart to heal my egg or I'll just... I think I'm just gonna get I think I'm gonna ask Dr. Heart to heal my family. And we are done. And it's hatching, guys. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? And we got a donkey. Not the best, but we could make a neon. So I'm going to end off the video here, and I'll see you in the next part. Bye bye, my lovies.